Let's go here, and today we are going to be playing my cat. I'm not gonna say anything. Oh, god dang it. If the video ends, then die the video. You see me. Yeah, I should know that it is. That's huggywuggy. My heart gonna. Did he see me? Don't go to nothing. I'm just gonna get out of here. Here's the thing. Night vision off is a mega spawn. What does the button do? Like I said, guys, we had to survive this whole thing in one go. If we die, the video ends. I mean, that's why I have iron armor. So I'm gonna try to kill her. Kill huggywuggy. I don't have a shield because I'm leaving. Bye. I'm leaving. How you didn't see me? Wait, I'm gonna try to kill him. No, I'm going back. What? Yeah, no. Definitely. So that's why he's not attacking me now. Nope. I'll be back when this gets done for real. Let's turn also real because I don't trust myself, and also we have a Ben 10 mod just in case we're gonna need it because I don't trust myself still. There we go. We have it on now. Don't ask why it's above my head right now. The mod just got updated, and I'm not doing this today. So my goal is to at least get some iron armor. No, I can't get iron armor. No, I can't get iron armor. So I'm giving myself a little handicap right now. This is gonna be a little weird for me because I don't trust huggywuggy. Yeah, I shouldn't either, but yeah. Don't trust the devil. Don't trust the devil because you're gonna act with a demon. Melissa to see this video, she don't act like can play them all together, can play them all together, can play them all together. I'm like, bruh, what upload this video? Oh yeah, I know I did it for my viewers. What's that? Let's see, now. Okay guys, so we are going to do shift. We are going to some good aliens. I'm going to beat this guy, so go through a alien that fly. Look, easily fly away. Jump, 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 jump. I'm gonna just kill Huggywuggy. Not anything else, just kill this man. Just kill the man. Just kill the man. That's not special, just kill Huggywuggy. Just kill him and just never just do this again. This man will actually have to. Over that. I might get fisherman, guys. No, I'm out. No, I'm leaving. Thank you, cause I'm gonna die. Did you guys see that? I don't know if I should get far away or just start spamming this, cause he's gonna kill me. Please. No, no. I think I should get to level 20. Get myself to level 20. Idiot, you stuck. Stuck, idiot. Watch when I get to level 20. No. Can't get what at this man on my tail. Literally tail. They gave myself a handicap. This one. Slash XP. Up. Yeah, I'm smart, guys. Yeah, I'm smart. Back at smart. I'll end this quickly. Oh, I wish you had me next. I really wish you had me. You can't climb, right? But dang, okay. I'm feeling terrified. I don't even think I'm stupid calm. I'm scared for my life. Don't get close to him. Do not get close to him. Hold that. Like I said, when he's running at first, he's coming after me. Yes. Guys, we're going full. I don't remember the name of the tricks. Full recalibrated army tricks. Yes, that's what it's called. Yes. Don't ask any questions. That's what it's called, okay? Anyway. Yeah, no. At this point, guys, I'm ending this company. I feel career. Hit him, hurry, hit him. It's not hanging. Yes, it is not. If I die, guys, the zero ends for last time. That was doing an account because like the way he's gotta die in Korean mode. He's not dying, guys. I'm scared he's not gonna die. Wait, if I Me and the monster. If I did enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. I'm gonna have nightmares tonight. See you on my next Minecraft video. Peace. One block coming out early today.